Now let's start with the basic Linux command. So in this lecture, we will learn what is the basic Linux commands, what are the environment variables, and what is the $path. This is a variable and it is very important environment variable. We will learn what it is. Now let's start with the basic Linux command. Now, the first command, this is very basic and very important command, and you should know it by default, the ls command, or the list directory content. So in Windows, we call these as folders. So the directories or folders, these are the same, okay? But in Linux, we name it directory. In Windows, we name it folders. cd, this is to change the current directories. pwd displays the present working directory. This is the present working directories. It stands for this. Cat, this is for the concatenation, concats and display files. This is used most likely for text files. Don't worry, we will talk about these and we will have a hands-on lecture later on. Echo, to display arguments to the screen. And man, this is to display the manual. And this can be used with specific commands to show with a manual for them. Now, what are the environment variables? Now, if you ever heard about these, or if you didn't ever heard, no worries, I got you. So environment variables are a set of dynamic named values stored within the system that are used by applications launched in shells. There are system-wide and user-defined variables. So for example, the system-wide variable is star or $path, okay? This is really important and very important environment variable for the Linux system. Now we will talk about it in the next few slides. What is the $path? The path variable here is an environment variable that contains an ordered list of paths that Linux will search for executable when running a command. So using these paths means that we do not have to specify an absolute path when we are running a specific command. Now don't worry, we will talk about this in details in the next lecture. All of these commands will be handled in the next lecture, the hands-on lecture, okay? But for now, keep in your mind that these are the basic commands, okay, that we will be using in the next lecture. And the path, $path, which is the environment variable, system-wide environment variable, this to tell where are the path of the binary or the commands, okay, that we will be using. So instead of using absolute path, we will use, in that case, a relative path, or where it is located. No worries. Don't worry, we will talk about all of these in details in the next lecture. I will see you there.